Yeah.
Is it cold in the baby?
You are not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Across the path to step back a little bit. So all these guys are sort of between 2 and 3 here, and then you've got a 4-year-old, the biggest and the low, and those 2 little ones are actually the youngest. We had 6 born last year, and they're all about 10 months old now. So they are seasonal breeders, so they're born sort of about spring, early summer, so it's warm enough for them. So hopefully we'll have a few more this season as well. But you can see, even though they're quite small, at 10 months, they're nearly a year old now, so they're quite independent as well. So they will play with the sort of the yearlings and the 2-year-olds. And
Is it very apparent when one is pregnant?
not actually until the last few months. But
Sorry.
she pregnant for 5.5 months, so presumably we would have a few pregnant at the moment. But it's not actually till the last sort of month or so that they get the bump. But saying that, we've actually got a 4-year-old pregnant at the moment. Because she's so small, they're not fully grown until 7. And she is quite obviously pregnant because she's quite big. So the older ones, it's not quite showing yet though.